Today I'm going to solve a new problem, that is minimum deletions to make array beautiful. So as you can see in the problem, you are given a zero index integer array nums, where the array nums is beautiful if like you have to like delete some elements from an array to make it beautiful. And how an array can be beautiful? If the array length is even. First condition should be the array length should be even, right? And second condition should be the nums of I should not equals to be nums of I plus 1. Like if I'm at zero index, and if it is not equal to the next index, then it is beautiful. And there must be a condition like the index should be even index, not odd index. You should check even the when the index is even, then you have to check like move further. And like you can delete any number of elements from the array to make it beautiful. So at the end you have to return how many minimums number you have to delete to make that array beautiful. So I will take a test case to explain you the question. Like first the test case is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 6 6. Let me erase this. Like already I have written the test case, so let me erase it. Now as you can see, this is the like I am going to write the index at above all the element 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So you need to delete some elements from the array to make it beautiful, and the two conditions were the array should be even length if it is a beautiful, and second the at even index the array of element should not equal to the array of I plus 1, which is the next element. So as you can see here, if I am at zero index, the next index is, if I am at zero index, the value is 1, and the next index that is 1 also has value 1, and also the even index is 0. So hence you can say that this array is not beautiful. So make this array beautiful, you need to delete some element from this array. So what steps can you take to delete, so that you can delete some elements, and that some operations should be minimum, like minimum as much you can minimize the total number of operations to make the array beautiful. And the second condition was if you delete any element, the array should be shifted to its left side. Like if I delete 1, right, for example, the new array should be 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 6 6. As you can see, I have deleted 1, so array shifted to the left side. And also one thing I will like let you know what is happening when I am deleting any element from the array. So let me remove this. Like I just take an example to explain you. So at zero index, the one index is equal to, as you can see, 1 is equals to 1, and also at zero index, like if at even 0 is even, you can say that, and there is it 1 index is equal to the 0 index. So you have to delete this. So which element will you delete? First remove element, first remove 0 index element. So new element will be 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 and 5 6 6. So you I think you will probably noticing that the elements which are after this index, right, has changed its index number. As you can see, if I going to write the new index for these array elements 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So as the first 2 was at 2 index, and here as you can see 2 is at 1 index. Example 4 was at 6 index, and as you can see the first 4 is at 5th index. Means if you are deleting any element, the element which is rightwards after that element will change its index. It will be decrement by 1 position. As you can see another example, like array is this, right, 3 3 4 4 5 6 6. If I am going to delete these 4, okay, so what will be the new array? 3 3 4 4 5 6 6. So what was the first index of second fourth? 6. As you can see 6, but now the new index is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right, this is index. So fifth was at what index? 8 index, but now after deleting it is decremented by again a 1 index. Now it is at 7 index. So one thing probably you will be noticing that after deleting any element, the right index is decrementing by 1, and the element, like as you can see here, I have deleted this 4. Before you can see like no element has changed its index. 3 was at 4 index, and still 3 is at 4 index. So as you can see, left side of that array is not changing in index. So probably we'll be noticing what are the key things which are happening after deleting some elements. So again I will take the main array 0 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 6 6. Let me erase all those stuff from upside to explain you in better way. I've deleted all those things. Now see at what index I have to delete some element. For the index should be even index, and next thing, the next element of that even index should not be equal if I have to make that array beautiful. So I have to remove all those elements who are adjacent to each other, right? 1 1 adjacent to each other, and the first element should be at even index. So what I'm going to do, first 1 1 is equal index of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? At 0 index 1 1 are adjacent, and also the index is even. So I need to remove this element. If I delete this element, the new array will be 1 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 6 6, right? So 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 6 6. And what, like, first step, second step, what is the new index? This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Is this index, is this array is a beautiful array? First see, the length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It is even, it can be beautiful, but you need to also check whether the even index element is not equal to the odd index element. So as you can see here, at fourth at triple 4 was there, sorry, my mistake. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 again. See here, as you can see, at sixth index, as sixth index is even index, it is equal to the seventh element index, but it should not be there. It should not be adjacent at any even index. So what intuition I can think of, like after deleting any index, the index is decrementing by 1, right side index, right? Left side index was not like causing anything, but after deleting right side elements, index will be decrementing by 1. So what can I think of? First, if I am not deleting anything, so new index was 0 at every, like at 0 index it is 0, at 1 index it is 1, if 2 index it is 2. But after deleting, like if I deleted 2, the next index will be decremented by 2. Like if the element 3 is at 3 index, it will come at 2 index. So I can think that after deleting, the next element will be decremented by 1. Can I take a variable to show how many elements I have deleted for now? So wait, 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 triple 4 5 6 6, and now I will explain you. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yeah, first index was 0, right? Like deleted index was 0. Like you have not deleted anything from the array, but when you traverse the array, like 0 to n, first you check whether the first thing should be, the index should be what? Even index. So first I was 0, and I minus deleted index is nothing. So new index will be, can I say, I minus deleted index. And why I'm using this, I will let you know like after some time. So I minus deleted of index, so it is 0 minus 0, so it will be the element 1. It is even index, so it at any even I have to check whether it is equal to this next element or not. So if I am checking it, if array of j equal to array of j plus 1, means I have to, first it should be even, j should be greater than divided by 2 is equals to 0. If it is there, I need to delete this element, and virtually I have to think, I do not have to manually delete the element and shift all the element to its left. I just have to, in my mind, I have to delete some element. So I will increment that deleted index by 1, means I have deleted one element. So if I deleted this element, the new array index will be decremented by 1. Fine. So how it will come? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 6 6. So as you can see, the new index is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Still, now you can see there are still many elements at even index who is adjacent to its next element. See, as you 4 is 4 equal to 6, and 6 is equal to. So the index is decremented by 1, and deleted index is decremented by 2. So if I is now 1, I is at 1, here I is at here. So it is a even index or odd index. So check now. Before, like for now I know that this index is odd element. For the original array it was what, even index, but after deleting it becomes odd index. As you can see here, 2 was at what, even index, but after deleting 2 is at odd index. So how can I check this? After deleting what the next index becomes? So if I decrement I minus delete of index, means I have deleted one element. So one index should be decremented rightwards. So I is here, I is 1. If I delete 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So as you can see, if I am at 0 index, even if I am at 1 index, the array is not it is odd index still, and I is 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. I have deleted this so that I can keep track of the elements which has decremented its rightwards. So when I reaches to what, when I reaches to 6 index, I know 6 index is 4, but when I deleted 1 from there, the index should be decremented, like 4 should come at 5th index. First forgot this. So what will be next? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what is the original index? 6. So what I have to keep track of, like how many elements you have deleted from the array. If I decrement those times minus index, it will be the new index. See, I have deleted 1 from the array. So what is the new index? First 4 was a 6 index. If I delete this, so what will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like if it decremented by one place, and assume if I deleted 1 again, index 4 what is index 6, but what new index it has got? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I deleted 2 element, the index decremented by 2. If I deleted 3 element, the index is decremented by 3. First it was 3, now 0, 1, 2, 3. So I can keep track of a deleted index, like how many elements I have deleted. And if I subtract from the current index, it will give you the new index. And at every index you can check if the new index is even, divided by is equals to even, then you have to check whether it is equal to its adjacent element or not. If it is adjacent element, increment the delete count. Like you have deleted this element and you have tried to take another step to make the array beautiful. So you can do like this, keep track of the new chain index, and afterwards, if the after traversing whole the array, if you see the array's length is something, like you after deleting some element, how do you know how many elements are left? So in deleted index, you have keep track of how many you have deleted. So if you decrement total length of array, original minus how many elements you have deleted, will you get the new array size? Yeah, you can get. Like if I deleted, there were 12 elements. If I deleted 4, the new array should be 8 element. And if it is the 8 index, then it is beautiful. Now it can be happen like if you deleted 3. So how many elements are there? 9. So still the array is not beautiful. So what you have to do? So can you think of, if I delete the last element of that array, so do I need to left shift all the elements to its left? Is it necessary? No. If you deleted the last element, like 1, 2, 3, 4, if you deleted the last element, it will not affect to its left side, right? So better to delete the last element and make the array beautiful. If it is odd, then delete the last element and make the array even. And if it is a even, like after deleting the array becomes even, so it is already a beautiful index. So you can return how many minimum deletion you have done. So now I will write the code, dummy code. So what it will be 0 to n. At first the deleted was 0, nothing of deleted. So how the already index will be same at 0 index. So I minus index. If I have not deleted, the index will be same, new index. So if array of j, like if it is even, then you have to check whether adjacent element are equal or not. If array of j is equal to array of j plus 1, means next element, then you have to increment the delete count, like you have deleted, right? And so what will happen next time? It is when it is deleted is incremented by 1. So if at any index the right element is decremented by 1, so if we were 2 index, if you subtract 1, like one element of deleted, so it will give you the new index, like updated index, and you can check afterwards. And after, if deleted length array of size, length minus index deleted element is divided by 2 is equal to 0 even, then directly return how many elements you have deleted. Else just pop back array, just delete one element more, like index increment one element more, like you have deleted one more and then return the index. So I hope you guys understand the concept. Like two things were there. Let me summarize. First, the time complexity of an you are traversing loop, and you are not any using text extra space, so O of 1 will be a space, only variables are there. So two things were there. Any deleting after key things were there. After deleting any element, the left side index are unchanged, left side, and right side index are just decrementing by 1 if you are deleting one element. And if you are deleting two elements, the left side right side index is decremented by 2. If you are deleting 3, the right side element is deleting by 3. So hope you guys the concept. So thank you. I will meet you next video.